ताज़ा तरीन अपलोड्स की नोटिफिकेशन हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए गए घंटी के निशान को दबाना ना।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rushali and you're watching my channel Rushali Official. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to body polishing, and that also step by step I'm going to share with you. Before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. For first step is cleansing. So you have to take a little bit of oil. You can take any of this. I had to clear sarso amla. So you have to take little bit and then you have to apply to your hand or face or body. So I'm going to apply to my hand. Most of the people are not taking care of their body, how it is and dark and all, because of sun rays and all fall then and it will become black and all, it won't go. So you have to take care of this. So 5 minutes you have to scrub this very well. Massage until it get, and it will be, you will get a blood circulation also, and it will remove your dirts and all. After this I'm going to scrub this to my hand. So first of all I had to clean bowl, and then I had added here sugar, and then you have to add a little bit of rose water. A little bit you have to take this for scrub. You can take aloe vera gel also, it will better. So you have to take little bit and then you have to scrub to your hand until it get the sugar melt. So you have to scrub this very well. While scrubbing you have to take care of this skin. Don't harshly rub. Lightly you have to scrub this very well. Then you have to wipe it with tissue paper or cloth. You can wash your face or body also. After this, main important is face pack. So you can use for face also, you can use for body also, you can use any part of this, legs and neck and all. So you have to take little bit of this. I had added here little bit of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of besan, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of and 1 pill of capsule and little bit of oil. So you have to take a little bit of this and then you have to apply to your body like this. Make sure it should be dry. While you are drying this, you should not wash your face and all. You have to scrub this and then you have to wash with cold water. Don't wash with warm water, your body will burn then. Like how I applying, you have to apply this and follow the all the steps which I had followed here. Then I am going to wipe with cloth. If you have yellowish of haldi, put little bit of this, so it will be yellowish to your body and all, it won't go dark. So guys, you have to follow this every day. Once in a week you have to polish your body, face and legs also. While you are applying this, be careful, don't harm to your body and all. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.